Hey guys, thanks for tuning in this week. In this video we're actually going to be reviewing a product. I was looking for something to kind of use in between cleanings on my bike, and I picked up some Wiazrds Mist and Shine. Let's put it to the test. Now this product came with some pretty good reviews online, and when I bought it I decided to pick up the bigger bottle because I wasn't sure how much I'd be using. Now you use this product pretty sparingly, so if you wanted to pick up the smaller bottle just to test it out, it'd be more than enough. Now this product said it was good for paint, chrome, and windshields, so I went ahead and tested the paint and chrome and the glass on my bike. The very first thing we tested was the rear fender. You can see in the before picture it was actually pretty dirty, but it came pretty clean with just a small mist and one wipe, guys. From there we went ahead and moved on to the tank. Same thing. Guys, just a couple mists, a little bit of wiping, and it was clean. Now when I came to the chrome on the exhaust, it was pretty dirty also, and I was actually pretty skeptical that it was going to come clean. But guys, I sprayed it down, wiped it right off. From there we went ahead and moved on to the tire. Now the picture here doesn't really give it justice, guys. It actually came out pretty decent. The spots that you're actually seeing are kind of pitting, but the rest of it actually came right off. Now on the belt guard it was pretty much the same thing. What you're actually seeing that's left is pitting, but the rest of it came out pretty well. By the way, if you guys have any ideas on how to get rid of the pitting on that, go ahead and leave some comments in the section below. Now I was pretty skeptical when it came to the glass of the mirror. I figured it would leave streaks, but same story as the rest of it, guys. It came right off. Guys, I gotta admit, I was pretty impressed. Everything came out looking really good, and at $15 for the bigger bottle, I know it's going to last me all season, so I consider it a good buy. Plus, it's nice to know that with 5 minutes, I can go out there right before I ride, and everything's going to look good. It's definitely a product I'd recommend. If this video helps you out at all, guys, be sure to like and share it. You'll also want to subscribe so that you get access to future videos when they come out. Other than that, we'll see you next time.